It's 9:29. Just about this time on Wednesdays, we present Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And maybe, we hope, fortunately, today's the day your question gets answered as the questions are largely submitted by you. Would you please help me welcome Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured? Good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. How are you doing this morning?
Excellent. How about you?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you.
Mr. Positivity, as we think of Bruce around these parts, because he's always doing fantastic, no matter what's going on. That's probably a key to your success over the decades upon decades you've been doing what you do. How many years in the field?
54 years.
Is it 54 now? Wow. That's the kind of wisdom and experience and knowledge that we need, especially with a question like today's. Are you ready for it?
Yeah, you present the best questions.
Oh, well, thank you. I wish I could take full credit. Unfortunately, somebody's been hurt, and unfortunately, well, at least as far as I'm concerned, I don't know anything about some of these new technologies, but I bet you've dealt with this before. Let me just plunge right in. The email says, my son was riding his e-scooter home from work on Harbor Boulevard when a vehicle turned out of a parking lot and knocked him into a street sign. The driver had minimal insurance and now says my son shouldn't have been in the roadway. My son has a broken femur and will miss several months of work. We don't have e-scooter insurance. I didn't even know there was such a thing. Even though we have full car insurance coverage, is there anything a lawyer can do? Yeah, you can start by telling me, is there such a thing as e-scooter insurance?
I'm sure that if you look hard enough, you could find any kind of insurance, but
true.
I'm not aware of any insurance specifically for
Okay.
e-scooters.
Well, failing that, then how can we help these people?
Well, first of all, just the personal observation, e-scooters are very, very dangerous.
Mm-hmm.
Unfortunately, the average driver just doesn't see a person driving an e-scooter. So, if it was my child, I wouldn't allow an e-scooter.
Okay.
But to answer the question presented, an e-scooter rider or driver is equal to a pedestrian.
Okay.
So a pedestrian is entitled to uninsured motorist coverage under a policy in the household.
Oh.
So if these people who have full coverage, which is always a mysterious term to me,
Yeah.
if they have stacking uninsured motorist coverage, the e-scooter driver would be protected and be able to recover for his medical bills, past and present, pain and suffering, past and present, loss of income if he loses income, and other intangible damages.
Okay.
The driver's defense is a bunch of bunk. He's, in my opinion, from the facts presented, the motor vehicle driver is obviously at fault, and this person is entitled to recover if they have stacking uninsured motorist coverage.
So,
And one thing,
I'm sorry, go ahead.
one thing to always remember is that if you are a victim of a motor vehicle crash and have uninsured motorist coverage, you're always entitled to recover if the at-fault party doesn't have sufficient limits of insurance.
Gotcha. Okay, so what we've learned from this really is it's going to be the details of what is called here full car insurance. That's something that really they should probably contact a professional and try to flesh out.
Exactly.
Okay.
They need to look at their policy and make sure they have uninsured motorist coverage.
And something else we've learned from somebody who's seen more than his fair share of bike, e-scooter, motorcycle kinds of accidents, watch out for e-scooters. They can be very dangerous.
I agree 100%.
All right. Well, you see, we learn something every time we speak to you, and that's one of the reasons we enjoy these sessions. Bruce, thanks again for weighing in today.
Hey, it's my pleasure, Todd. Looking forward to speaking to you next Wednesday.
As are we. You have a good week, and take care.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Now, if you've got a question you'd like to submit, I encourage you to go to our website and put the keyword Bruce in the search box. That'll take you right to where you need to go. But if there's an injury involved, don't do that. Instead, directly call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner at 941-743-7777, 941-743-7777. And please remember to tell them that Todd Matthews sent you.